Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today I'm so excited because we are going to showcase a VIP lounge papers giveaway. Once a month, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continuous love and support. And every month I decided to give away this current month VIP lounge papers. Before we crack on with the giveaway, let me show you what you could win this month. First main collection for the month of August is called the Vintage Lagoon. So it's a collection that's been inspired from Venice. Of course, there's been a very famous wedding happened in Venice recently, and I thought, actually, let's make and tell story about Venice in a non-fashion way. I wanted to, of course, create something that is vintage, that be shabby, of course, with my taste of being quite artistic and quite whimsical as well. This kit has 16 pages and has background of, a collection of backgrounds and ephemera. So I'm just going to go really quickly through every page. So predominantly lots of florals and a lot of Venetian masks. Of course, Venice is famous not just for the lagoon, but also for a carnival. That's their very distinctive gondolas, the St. Mark's Square, lovely mask. Now, these are original. They are a collection of Italians post stamps. I remember this when I was little. So in Italy, there is a euro now because we are part of Europe. But before we had the euros, we used to have lira, which is it was our currency. And I remember when I was little, with 50 lira, you used to buy a post stamp. And I remember people used to collect them as well. So this is a collection of authentic, of course, they are scanned, and some of course, are from the website. So collection of real post stamps. I'm going to do a tutorial with this. So, yeah. This is the map, the vintage map of Venice. Of course, Venice looks like an island, but it's attached there, and then you got all the canals. And I think this is amazing if you do like travel journals, or even if you want to decorate it. Now, this one, I mean, you can nobody stops you. You could simply put on a picture frame and put in your living room. But yeah, I wanted to give you quite a lot of watercolor effect photos. Okay, so they can use as a background or anything that you want. A little bit of whimsical, as I said in the beginning. So I created this background, and then I just put the hot air balloons. This is the cathedral, and I just added some florals on top. I love the watercolor effect. I hope you guys like it too. And then I basically put them into one page, all the full backgrounds, scaled them. So these will be fabulous cards, and also like vintage cards as well, which I will do a tutorial. Another background with the mask and the florals. Another one, pink. This has got like some brown and yellow and red color. It's loads of pages. This one is divided into two, so I designed this as two separate pages, split in half, but you can use as a one if you wish to. Another one with blue, predominantly blue and pink, gold and sepia. Love that. And then another one with the watercolor image and the Venetian mask. And last but not least is my favorite, because I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to get like a canvas texture. It looks like a painting, and I put the Venetian mask on the side as well. So that's the main collection. Also, every month you get a little gift from me. Okay, and this month the gift is an additional mini kit which is called Emporium of Aristocrats. So I wanted to create something a bit different, something a bit magical and whimsical. So it's a mini collection, so it's 4 pages. So you've got 1 page with the 2 different backgrounds. So you've got Mr. Crocodile and a lovely, oh God, what do you call this in English? Oh, how do you call this? Animals. Flamingos. We all regal. I love that. I wish I could wear that. Then there is another page. Oh, I missed one. There is another page with the Princess Swan and the Princess Duck. So I love them. I love the costumes. They're quite hard to Photoshop it, but I really like the effect. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. I think I've got a tutorial in my head, a project that I want to do. It's a collection of like little square, which I think I'm going to make some cards. And the large one, I think I'm going to make a tag. And then there's another page here. Look at that. Look, so cute. So cute. Okay, also guys, every month you get a letter, like a 3D letter gift box. And this month we are on letter P. We've done all the alphabet so far. So this is the template. So I've got the front of the P with a lion and the back of the P with this one princess. And also because I had a lot of space here on the page, I gave you an additional background with this handsome pup. I think it's so sassy and it's so I quite like his attitude. And this is what it looks like when it's all done up. So letter P. So we got the Lion King and the Princess Swan on the back, and then all the side there is this lovely floral letters. I'll show you all the alphabet. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. This is the last 3 that we've done. I got them here on my desk. Of course, some of the alphabet, not some, from the letter A to the letter M, I guess. So it's the first letters are available on my website if you guys want to purchase them. But of course, my VIP members get them for free as part of the perk with the membership. But yeah, really happy with these. So cool. Okay, so now you saw all my beautiful VIP Lounge digital papers and gift box. Now, how can you win those papers? I give 3 of you the opportunity to win these papers simply by commenting. Leave a comment down below telling me and give me some ideas of what you would make using these papers. You can leave as many comments as you want, and I will pick the winners randomly in a few weeks. Okay, good luck everyone, and thank you so much once again for everything that you guys do for me. So this is my little way to give something back to the community. Have a wonderful day, guys, and see you very soon.